Hello students, in our chapter Inheritance and Variation, we have learned about the various chromosomal structure, its appearance, how the genetic inheritance takes place. Okay, then we also learn about the sex determination in human being. Just look at this slide how the sex determination in human being takes place. Human being which carries the XY chromosome along with the 22 pairs of autosomes, while female also carries 22 pairs of autosome and XX chromosome. Then during gamete formation they get separated, and after fertilization they form a male and female child. Then towards the left side there is female and towards the right side there is male. Means conclusion is that they are obtained in 1:1 ratio. Then we will also discuss on that how the male child will be formed, how it is formed due to the combination of X and Y chromosome. Means Y chromosome is responsible for the production of male child. Okay, then we also discuss about the sex determination in birds and in honeybee. Okay, in birds, snakes, butterflies, or in some amphibians and fishes also, they are depend on the haplodiploid set of chromosomes. Okay, just look at the sex determination in honeybee. The female is determined by the two sets of chromosome, while the male is determined by the single set of chromosome. Means here female is diploid and male is haploid. Then in our chapter Inheritance and Variation, the last topic is chromosomal disorder. Okay, in human being there are 44 autosome and 2 sex chromosome, means there are total 46 chromosomes in male and in female. Okay, only difference is that female having XX chromosome and male have the YY chromosome. Okay, but if these chromosomal abbreviation it gets changed, then it is called as chromosomal disorders. It leads to chromosomal variation. Chromosomal variation means either it is polyploidy or either it is aneuploidy. What is polyploidy? The presence of 3 or more sets of chromosome is known as polyploidy. While what is aneuploidy? The presence of additional chromosome or missing individual chromosome. Means aneuploidy means either there is deletion of chromosome, and polyploidy means there is addition of chromosome. Then one more term is there that which is called as euploidy. The usual number or the sets of chromosome, means it is the normal number of chromosome. Or one more definition of euploidy is that whole set of chromosome is known as euploidy. Polyploidy means addition and aneuploidy means deletion. Okay. Then there are some chromosomal disorders which may be resulting in either aneuploidy or either polyploidy. For example, there are trisomy, Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and XYY syndrome. One by one we will be learn about them. The first is XYY syndrome, means there is additional Y chromosome in male, which is also called as trisomy of sex chromosome, and additional Y chromosome is added in male. Then what is the percentage of occurrence this? It is not occur in all male. In about 1000 to 2000 male, it will appear only in one man. Then what are the features of that syndrome? First of all, I would like to recall this term. What is syndrome? Syndrome is the collection of number of disorders which occur in a one time. That is called as syndrome. What are the features of the additional Y chromosome? That the men which possess this disorder are taller as comparatively other men. Then it having the comparatively low weight relative the stature, means with compared to his body, he having the low body weight. Then larger craniofacial dimension, means his face, it is larger towards its side. Then behavior problems, we may call them as mood swings. His mood may be swings at number of times. Then learning disabilities. Learning disabilities means mentally is not stable to learn something. Then slightly IQ is lower than the normal man. Then the next syndrome or next disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. How the Klinefelter syndrome occurs? It is a additional X chromosome is added in man. Okay, in previous trisomy there is addition of Y, but here there is addition of X in male. Means what is the characteristic of X chromosome? X chromosome is responsible for the femaleness, and which is extra added in male. Okay, what is the percentage of occurrence in male? It is occurred in one man in 500 to 1000 male. Then what are the features of Klinefelter syndrome? The person who having the extra X chromosome or who having the Klinefelter syndrome, they are tall. Second is they are sexually underdeveloped. Then they having the infertility, means they are unable to give birth to their child. Then sparse facial and body hair. Developmental delays, means their developmental stages may be delayed. Then increased risk of autoimmune disorder, breast cancer, osteoporosis, leg ulcers, depression and dental problems. Have you recalled this Klinefelter syndrome? Klinefelter syndrome means, in simple language, man that having the extra female characters. We may, in general language, we may call them as transgender. They are not man, they are not female, means they are transgender. Then the next disorder is Down syndrome. Down syndrome means trisomy at the 21st pair of chromosome. In 21st means it is from the autosome. Down syndrome is autosomal disorder. Means at the 21st pair of chromosome there is one chromosome is added. Means instead of 2 there is 3 there are 3 chromosomes at 21st pair. Then what are the features of Down syndrome? Low muscle tone, head and facial malformations, abnormalities of their extremities, developmental delays, heart malformations, increased risk of infectious diseases and early death. Okay, these are the several features of Down syndrome. Then Turner syndrome. How the Turner syndrome is caused? It is monosomy of X chromosome. What do you mean by monosomy? Only one sex chromosome is present. Only one X chromosome is present, and that is called as monosomy. Name of disease or name of syndrome is Turner syndrome. What are the features for the Turner syndrome? Short stature, means as compared to the normal, it is short. Lack of ovarian development. Then neck abnormalities, skeletal disorders, increased risk of osteoporosis. Then cardiovascular constrictions, diabetes, kidney and thyroid problem. Means these are the various features which is caused due to absence of one X chromosome. Means in this lecture we have discussed about the chromosomal disorders, either addition or either deletion. Turner syndrome, Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, then XYY syndrome. Okay, then these terms define. Question may be asked on this topic. Define euploidy, define polyploidy, define aneuploidy, or what are the disorders or chromosomal variation disorders. Then bird sex determination in birds and sex determination in human being. Okay, note out these all. Thank you.